In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Temu's spin and win to grab some exciting prizes. Whether you've just downloaded the Temu app or you're a seasoned user, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the spin wheel feature and maximize your chances of winning. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Temu app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to your app store, search for Temu, and get it installed. Once you're in the app, you want to look for the spin wheel feature. This can typically be found by spotting banners or prompts labeled spin the wheel or spin and win. So the next step is to navigate through the app to find one of these prompts. They are usually eye-catching and intended to draw your attention right away, so they shouldn't be too hard to find. Now that you've found the spin wheel feature, let's move on to earning spin chances. Tap on the option that says earn spin chances. Doing this might involve completing a few simple activities or engaging with specific app features. Each activity will earn you additional chances to spin the wheel, so make sure you make the most of this opportunity by taking part in the various tasks offered. Once you have your spin chances, it's time for the exciting part. Tap on the wheel to spin it. This simple action could set you up for a great prize, so give it a go. As the wheel spins, you'll feel the anticipation building, and soon enough, it'll come to a stop on a segment which will reveal your prize. After you've spun the wheel and landed on a prize, the next step is to click on Claim Your Prize. This is essential. Your prize won't automatically be added to your account, so make sure to claim it. But hold on, there's a bit more you need to do before you can enjoy your winnings. Check the prize requirements by tapping on Check Prize Requirements. Sometimes you'll have a quick task to complete, like browsing through some pre-selected deals. Keep in mind that the first spin gives you one more chance, and if you're lucky with the second spin, you could end up hitting the jackpot. Just be ready to follow through with any additional requirements to redeem what you've won. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to Temu's spin and win feature. With these clear steps, you're all set to try your luck and hopefully score some amazing prizes. It's not only fun, but also a great way to make the most out of the Temu app. Thanks for watching and happy spinning.